Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get ghost in Phasmophobia. First, familiarize yourself with the various ghost types and their distinct characteristics. Next, ensure you have all your necessary gear, such as an EMF reader, spirit box, and thermometer. Finally, select your preferred map and difficulty setting to begin your thrilling investigation. This preparation is key. Once inside, your primary goal is to locate the ghost's room. Walk around with your thermometer, looking for significant temperature drops, often below 10 degrees Celsius. Pay close attention to any unusual sounds, like whispers or objects moving, as these are strong indicators. Deploy motion sensors in hallways to cover more ground efficiently and pinpoint activity.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It makes a huge difference. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After finding the ghost room, it's time to gather crucial evidence. Use your spirit box in the dark, asking direct questions to elicit a clear response from the entity. Place a ghost writing book on the floor. Some specific ghost types will interact and write in it. Set up a video camera with night vision to look for ghost orbs, a key piece of evidence. With your evidence collected, consult your ghost journal. Each ghost type requires specific evidence combinations, like EMF level 5 and freezing temperatures. Observe the ghost's unique behaviors, such as throwing objects frequently or appearing as a shadow. Confirming the ghost type is crucial for completing your mission successfully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.